Hey guys, my name is Samir and welcome back. So today I will be reviewing MyIMuniversity 2.0 by Dr. Amit Parekh. Now guys, this product has really blown me, okay? And it has really excited me. And I can really see a potential of anybody who has never made a single dollar to be able to start making money online. Now I will jump into the product and I will show you exactly what this product does, okay? And it's something which nobody has done, has not even attempted to do something like this, okay? So this is something which will really change your life if you are serious and you are serious about your business online. So guys, just before we jump into the tutorial and I show you the demo of this product, which is amazing, I want to tell you that I have jam-packed with you some bonuses which will ultimately help you with this product. And there are several bonuses which I will go through in a few minutes. But in the meantime, I want to explain to you what this MyIMUniversity is all about. What MyIMUniversity does is it creates for you products like you are the owner of the products, okay? Now, if you look at creating a product, it will at least cost you at least minimum of $2,000, not looking at the time you will spend and all that. So for example, you will create a product and you will then do videos and all that kind of thing, and then you will get a copywriter to write for you a copy, and then next you will give it to your designer, the copy. So then the person will design a page, okay? And all this will really take a lot of time. Then you will start launching the product and start testing if the page is converting or not and all that kind of thing. It takes a lot of time, and some of us don't even know what we are supposed to be talking in the videos and all that, which we'll be creating. So what MyIMUniversity does is it empowers you to create HD courses, not one, not two, but several of them in several different topics, okay? And in front of your eye, I want to create a unique product for myself that I will be selling on Warrior Plus, and you can do the same. So it enables you create a product which you can sell it on Warrior Plus, ClickBank, JVZoo, or anything you can think of, okay? Any platform you want to put it on, or you can just sell with your own PayPal if you are promoting it yourself and you're promoting it onto Facebook and all that kind of thing. So this is how it is. Now the pages have been written in such a way that Google traffic will accept it. The Google will be will let you promote this kind of pages, okay? And ClickBank will allow this kind of products, and you'll become a vendor, a unique product for your own, a HD tutorial kind of a product training, which will really help your buyers, okay? The buyers who will be buying these courses will actually place you in a like a guru's position. So I will jump into the bonuses, and there are so much, and they will really boost. You should not buy this product without these bonuses, and you will get these bonuses only from my page. If you go down here and you purchase, you will come below this video, you will see the link. Once you click the link, then you will click on this. That is how you will get the bonuses and your course. Now additionally, okay, I will give you a very special bonus after I have gone through this training, how it is used, okay? So I'll jump into the dashboard of MyIMUniversity 2.0, and this is how it is done. You can see, guys, okay? So we have a total of 36 products which we can create. Guys, imagine having 36 products in ClickBank, in Warrior Plus, in JVZoo. It's vast. You can get affiliates to promote these products for you. So That's the major thing, okay? That's the big thing here. So let's create, like for example, let's do some good product here, and I'll show you live how I'm creating a product. So I want to do something with affiliate marketing. So I will look for affiliate marketing, and there are so many products. You can see linked ads, LinkedIn, Facebook, video ads, email marketing, Google AdSense, Facebook marketing, YouTube, traffic generation, Instagram. I mean, you can talk of it, okay? Just see, there are so many products here which we can create. Amazon, make money online, Snapchat, e-commerce, webinar, WhatsApp marketing, Google Hangout marketing, Google AdWords, local marketing. So I want affiliate marketing. So I will just turn this on, okay? So here it will tell me the vendor's name, which is me, okay? And then I will upload my image. Now if you don't have an image, you can always download it from your computer. I already put it there. Which platform do I want to sell on? Warrior Plus. I will just stick with blue. Then you can change here, you can put red, whatever you want to put, okay? Then you can do next. So this one is for the free. I mean, if there is a squeeze page you've created a free report, then this one you can give it away, and it looks like this. Let me show you guys, okay? So this is somebody who is building a squeeze page, okay? And you are giving away this as a bait. So let's move on next. Now this is the front end page URL, this is the delivery URL, and this is the thank you page. So guys, look at this. If this one, we will sell it, for example, for $17, okay? And the product ID, now this one you get it from your Warrior Plus. What you do is you go and create here, and this one is in bonuses. How to go about Warrior Plus and all that kind of thing is all in Warrior Plus bonus, which I'll be giving you. It's not in this product, my IM 2.0, MyIMUniversity 2.0, but this is as a bonus for you separately. So for example, I've created a product here, and let me open this so I can grab the affiliate ID. This logged me out, so let me just go on inside again. So I will go on products, okay, vendors, and my products are here, and I'll open a new link here. So we have products, and this is what I want, okay? So I open this, I get my affiliate, my product ID, which this requires me to have. So this is the product ID, and I can copy this, and then I can paste it here, okay? Then I need the button code, okay? So what I do, I go on Warrior Plus, and then I go on offers, and this is the offer which I'm promoting, and I get the codes in this button code, okay? So this sells for $17, okay? And I can copy this, and then I can put it here, products here, okay? So that's how this is done, simple, okay? The email is already done for us and all that kind of thing. So once we are done with that, we just click next. So now we'll go to the upsell. Okay, and this is the upsell, and I'll get a upsell code and all that, product ID and all that. So I'll go back to my products in Warrior Plus, and I will get this. Guys, look, the making money with products is quite easy and it's quite good. Look, I have made 4,884 only with this one product. Okay, so making products, is something which will make you money, guys. Okay, affiliate marketing made easy, and I will take this code here, the product ID. Okay, let's go and take this product ID, which is this one. So we'll copy this, come to my offer, product ID, and paste it there, and the button code. So we'll go back to the button code. So this one is here in my offers, and I'll get the button code. Now this is an upsell, you can see. Okay, main and then upsell. So I'll get the code. Now I'll get the code for the button and the no thank you also just here. So I'll copy this, put it in my offer here, and then no thank you code, I need this, and I will put this no thank you code, which I will find it here, and I will put it on this page, and then I will come down here. The email is all fine. Next, and affiliate page URL. Guys, look at this. It's created a good page for affiliates. Look at this, guys. Okay, it's done all this. So affiliates can promote. Okay, so affiliate page is there, and I can put it in the thing, the affiliate link, and that's it, guys. Okay, so once I finish, I want to show you inside your own members area. So basically that product is published. Look at this product, guys. It's amazing. Introduction, what is affiliate marketing, how important, the top 10 affiliate networks, research on hot topics, identify hot topics, a fully fledged course just made within seconds, and I can actually sell this just the way I have just done with you on this video. So that's what this MyIMUniversity is all about. It's an ultimately the best thing you can ever get. I want you to see what we created. So I will go on the sales page, and this is how the sales page look like. Look at this, guys. A very good made sales page, copywriting, highly converting sales page. Okay, this one is 9.95, and it was $47 directly selling from Warrior Plus, guys. Then let's look at the other one. Now if you are going and looking at this one, the upsell. Okay, the upsell, look at the upsell, guys. So there you go. This one is only 27. Okay, now I need to change that price. There's something which I made a mistake there, but to change the price is very easy. Just come on this page and change this to $27 and not $17. Okay, Just need to change that to $27 and save. Then I can refresh this page and we will get our $27 there. Okay, that's how good and nice this looks like. Okay, and no thanks will take you to the product. So that's how this works, man. This is how things work. Okay, so guys, I hope, you will get this product. Okay, I hope you will get this product, and I want you to now look at my bonuses, what I'll be giving you as bonuses if you get this course today from my link. So let's jump. You can read through all these kind of things and what we are doing and all these good things. Okay, so this is a limited time bonus. It is valued at $47 a month. Messenger, so you'll get ultra powerful FB messenger marketing software, send bulk messages to your pages, messenger leads, and full your engagement levels, and boost conversion on completion, complete automation. Okay, so you can read about this thing. Okay, the other bonus which I'll be giving you now is article analyzer. With only few clicks, analyze your articles for keywords density and get targeted search engine traffic for your website. Then backlink warrior software. Okay, live training how to make business with 1 million products and 200 million buyers. Facebook groups. Okay, now you will be able to get Facebook groups and get in touch with like-minded people. So 100% these ones are softwares which are related to this product. There's a lot of things I've done for you guys, but I have some good things here. Product launch workshop live, so you can see how to launch a product, how to get JVs to promote this, all is here. Live workshop. Okay, how to create and launch new products every month, sales funnels. Yeah, Warrior Plus. So everything for Warrior Plus is here, guys. Everything for Warrior Plus is in here. Whatever I had done in Warrior Plus is all mentioned here, and you will get this bonus as well. JV Zoo conversion secrets. Joint venture marketing, guys. If you want JV partners, then this is the way. JV Secrets 2.0, social traffic plan, backlink bandits, how to convert, effective paid traffic sources, traffic meltdown, traffic splitter, membership mogul. Now there's a lot of things I've done for you guys here. For the price you're paying on the front end, this is a lot you're getting in exchange. Okay, webinar fever. So that's what I have in place for you guys, and I know that you will love this product. You will really thank me. Okay, now I will also give you an additional bonus. Okay, myself, I will be there with you. I will coach you. Okay, I'll give you training so that you are able to make money fast with this product. Okay, so just need to get in touch with me once you're purchased, and we will we'll go over whatever you want to do very fast. I'll help you in anywhere you are stuck, and we will be together. So guys, I really hope you take this product. This is something which you will not be getting anytime soon. Not many people do this kind of things. In fact, I have not seen anything like this, anything even close to this. Okay, this is something which is massive, and you will need to get this. You need to get this today. Otherwise, I will talk to you in another good review. Thank you.